So welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial I'd like to show you how to set up a form created with Caldera forms to work with the WPWC creator mappings. So go to the Caldera section and create a new form. I click on the contact form template and give them a name. Create the form. Okay. So you can still use all these fields that Caldera form offers you, but we need 3 required fields. 2 of them has to be single text line, okay? And for a better overview, we also give them names. The first is the design, and the second is the prefix. Don't make these fields required, because these fields will be hidden automatically if you relate them to a mapping, okay? And the third required field is the email field. This can also be required here because this is visible for the user. Okay, these 3 fields are always required to relate them to a mapping. Okay, then we go to WPWC creator, create a new mapping. This red bars are not errors. This is a guide to guide you through the next steps. Okay, so we save them with a name. Okay, then on the right side you can see this drop down with the forms. So in the Caldera form section, choose the form we create right now. Then you can see all the fields that are stored in this form, and you can also see these red bars with the next steps. So we have to relate the email field, the design field, and the prefix field. The email, the prefix, and the design field. Okay, we can also relate the other fields. These fields are not required, but if you like to store them, you can relate all the fields that you have inside your form. Relate also an email template. This email template will be sent to a customer once the website is created, and this email stores the username and the password for the website for the user. Okay, in a later video you can see how to create email templates here. Okay, then choose the language in which the website should be installed. Don't be confused, these 3 fields are always refresh the site and store all the data. And also choose the role for this customer for the new website: editor, author, or administrator. Okay, then we need one more step. We need to choose the pre-built websites that we like to offer to the customers. The first 6 websites are always free, and the other pre-built websites are for paid members. Okay, update once again. So now the system is ready to create websites through a Caldera form. Simply copy this shortcode, create a site, include the shortcode wherever you like, and you're done. Thank you.